Hey everyone, Mad B. We're here on Teck's Talking Shop again. And this videos that we've been doing have been about organization, pretty much. Organization and accessories help you make you organized. I like being organized, but I'm gonna be totally honest. I only have like one thing that has to do with any organization, accessory, tool, whatever you want to call it, and it is the Also Tools spray can holder. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. It works really well. And I'm gonna show you it right now. I was pretty impressed with it when I took it out and actually stuck it on my toolbox. I looked at the magnet and honestly I was like, I don't know. It looks not very strong, but once I stuck it up there, it was awesome. It was great. I don't know, any cans that I put on there, it's, stayed there, it hasn't fallen off or done any weirdness, so, but, yeah, that's the only thing that I got, organization-wise. I think, I've been looking at a lot of accessories, tool organizers. I just haven't gotten them yet because I feel like I don't need them quite yet. I definitely will soon now, but, where I've been kind of new into going into this, I still need tools. I'm still getting tools, a bunch of them. But yeah, I need tools, so to use organizers, but yeah, the Also Tools, I've been looking at their organizers. They have like a crazy amount of them, which is awesome. I think that is so cool. That is the first tool company I've seen that has like so many different color options for certain organizers. Well, I'll show you right now. I also wanted to show you this. It's the magnetic spray can holder that I just showed you right here. It's like $40. That's not bad. And yeah, check this out. They have rails, and they have these magnetic socket holders, and they have so many freaking colors that you can choose from. Look at that. Look at all the colors. Awesome. I'm totally getting purple when I'm doing this. Purple's my favorite color. Really cool. I'm probably going to end up getting it for the house though, because our garage is a disaster. It just is. But cool. So yeah, I'll probably end up getting that stuff for the garage at home rather than at work at first. I still got some time to fill up my toolbox. So yeah, that's about it. Sorry, I don't have any. I don't have a bunch of organizers, but I do plan on getting some. Definitely. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have had a good start to your new year. We will see you again.